Welcome back, guys. This movie is called She's Not the One. Please, guys, watch the movie from the start to the end. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, right? Also, look out for part 2, guys. It's coming soon. We also want to do a promo for the Blue Crane Escape. Guys, we're located at Somerset Lane, Western Road, Negril, Westmoreland. Our numbers to call are 876-807-2163. You can also contact us at 876-499-5997. You can also email us at thebluecraneescapeja@gmail.com. The place is luxurious, guys. Come on. Make your reservation now. Boom. 1 Chelsea. 87 out.
Yeah. She's not the one. Oh, when you give her everything, she turn around and give you one. Aliyah. The man know everything when I go on the grounds, man. Toga she say, Tia, play my game, puppy don't know easy at all. Chelsea tell them she's not the one. Coloring book, just go on it. Yeah, man, you soon find the right one. She's not the one. Coloring book, just go on it. Yeah, man, you soon find the right one.
Hello. What going bad, bro? Yeah, man. Never ain't answer my phone right there, because I go try to look stress, you know. I want to tell you, say, every woman coming in my life, bro, them just want to dig. Them just want to dig. You know, none of them not love you for who you are. Them just love you to have a business, a big house, and some money and car. That good, man. Around 2 months now, the breaking up going, man. But, you know, to be honest, I talk to one girl almost 2 weeks now, and I just try to take it slow still. Alright, when you fly in, man, just link up, man. Yeah, man. Alright, thanks, here. Heart of love. Alright, bro.
Son,
Yes, ma'am.
what's
Right,
up
mommy.
with you now?
You know, some of just decide to wake up there and come on the balcony and just think.
Think about what?
Life ups and downs, ma'am. You know, you teach me a lot, mommy. I'm really grateful for me, but you know, sometimes I think so because all 3, 4, 5 women fail me. And coming in my life, sometimes I feel like man give up, but you teach me better and know, say, yo, just like how you do your homework and get it wrong, and teacher explain or rush and you go do it back and get it right. The same thing with a relationship. So, woman never walk in my life one day and fail me. I just say you go still, you know.
Yeah, I can see really still caught up on the breakup. But them the girl ain't no good for you. Gold digger them. You need to find yourself a good woman and love you for your things and love you for you.
You're right, mommy.
I don't want you to find no woman.
Fourth breakup you know because every woman just want to dig and go.
Exactly.
Want married and them things that just right
And then
now.
they take half away you have. Me don't want no woman come dig out my son eye.
I know some mommy, me not tell lie right now. I talk to one girl almost 2 weeks right now. She named Tia.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Listen to me.
meet her.
No. Me don't want to meet no girl. You need to take some time and watch the girl and where they're with. See, if a four breakup that you know, 4 breakup, me your mother, me can't take for see my son I get hurt every minute. Watch it, girl. Me don't want to meet the girl because me know if me meet her, one look me look upon her, me go know so she's a gold digger.
So yeah, so mommy then like
You tell the girl
really,
she have things?
No, me never tell her say me have a big house and car and
She know say you have little something though.
no, she don't know say me have no.
And she's still willing to stay with you.
She know me not poor, but you know, she don't know say me have car, big house, balcony views and money and everything.
And she's still willing to stay with you.
She don't know that. But to how me treat her, maybe she feel like me I want hard working person who I just get her anything. So I say me want you meet her and then you tell me what you think she named Tia.
I think 7 meters. I don't think. How long you not talk for?
2 weeks, almost
2 weeks, and you want to come meet me already?
And I really
No,
mean
that
me
girl
just want...
cherish too.
Mommy,
She-
hold on, mommy, just listen, man. Me know say your heart break just like how my one break. We say, oh, female just take abuse of me because of things. Most of them female are not love a man for who them is, and I understand that. But me feel like a good female out there want me for who me have, for who me is.
You need to go country, go look one of them country girl there. The nice girl who wash, cook and clean, no matter where you have, then stick with you. One of them girl me want to be my daughter-in-law. I don't want a gold digger. But no worry yourself, my son. You can't give her a try. Maybe she can be one of good and she not have to be one of good. But you can give her a try, man. But don't go too deep in it. You hear me say? Just not go too deep. Omar. Omar.
Mommy, listen.
Look at boy now you may talk to you.
Mommy, me have a perfect idea how me can find out if Tia love me for who me is or she gonna love me.
What kind of idea that?
You never watch a movie named Coming to America?
No.
Mommy, yo, me go meet Tia. Me know. When me forward back, me go tell her the idea. But in the meanwhile, type in Coming to America on YouTube and watch it. Perfect idea. Mommy, thank you. Here. Love you, mommy.
Okay.
Just type in it. Coming to America, mommy.
You've sent me for meeting me so long. I turn up here so wait for him and I know he can't forward. We want to beat me, but I know. And he tell me say we are going to spend 2 weeks and so my mother-in-law can't know me. So man.
Father God, me I beg you, every woman coming in my life, them just love me and want me for the things them when me have the house, the car. So me have a plan, Father God, me I beg you for guide you to find out if Tia just want me for where me have or she just like me naturally. Just bear with me, Father God, and me I beg you for make my plan go through. Amen. Here. Here. Try to keep you out yet. Try to keep you out yet, man.
Look how long me there so wait for you.
Regular spot where we always meet from almost 2-3 weeks and now we are date. But anyhow, come this side. Listen. Me have good news and me have bad news. So, I give you bad news first. Bad news is, you know me not explain to you what I say. I go through a lot with relationship, more 4 or 5 relationship I go through the past few years because every female I talk to, them just want to come in and drain my energy. You understand? And just want money and them things I wish woman supposed to get money, but me not look somebody where me can build a life and just love me for me. So I reason my mother, you know, because I remember saying tell her, say meet her so. You have introduce her to my mother and you could have spent 2 weeks or 3 weeks because she can get to know you.
Babe, me not
babe.
cut you. How you know your mother gonna like me?
You're right. How me know some mommy I gonna like you. But how you know some mommy not gonna like you. But anyhow, as I was saying, you know, me now go brother bring you go meet my mother. Alright, here's the reason. The reason why, because you know some mommy love me. You understand? And all of the tribulation where girl them cheat for me, break my heart, I just pray money and the whole of them thing there. You see me? The last girl that break my heart. Because my mother didn't like her, that are the last female who break my heart. So it kinda hurt my mother just like how it hurt me. So she has said she just want to give it a little time before she meet you, right?
Yes.
So the thing with me I say now, you me don't promise you. See me I go make you spend on 2 weeks and you come in the bag and everything. Me know a nice place.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. You understand? My friend them tell me about it. You understand? The name is the Blue Crane Escape. One Airbnb, one nice place where you can go chill. So you know me I don't know. I have some money where I not save. So I feel like I just want to go book over there for 2 weeks till my mother calm down and can get to know you more and you get to know me. Yeah, I know say you're not working now, and I know say from what year you try if you drop off application Rio, Princess, a lot of on the cliff, Rick's a lot of hotel. So I know it's stressed right now, but I got your baby. You understand? I do everything what I can do to get her work. So how that sound?
Sound good. Sound really good. I just kind of disappointed so I'm not going to meet her mother, but it time I'm going to come when I'm going to meet her.
That I'm going to tell you. Patient. And I thank you for understand. I'm going to really like if mommy can like you. I'm going to really like if you, the baby, can like the mommy. But then you're going to check over the hotel and see.
Alright.
Alright. Come on, baby.
You got to leave it for me. Can't believe the girl come right on my doorstep. I'm gonna tell the girl, say, yo, I feel this. Like this girl have some link. Find out say Omar please. My boss. I'm gonna tell her. He say, girl, Blue Crane escape at my place. The girl I can't tell me, no, me not rich so. Me a groundsman. Me a groundsman, you know, make it 2 hours park together. She don't want that. She will let the gate up in again. She come like they want me lose my rock. I mean, even there, a couple days ago, I don't know who let the gate up. She come like they want me lose my look around.
Yeah, hello. I pray. Manners and respect.
Man.
Yeah, man. This is the Blue
Crane
Escape. Yeah, man. This are the place.
The Blue Crane Escape.
Yeah, we just want to escape from a 2 week or a 3 week now, my baby.
Oh.
Spend some time and something. You say
Yeah,
place
man.
nice and something.
Oh, very nice,
Babe,
man. I'm
me
very
tell you say
responsive over
place
here.
nice, babe.
Oh, very
Me tell you
nice,
say you have a
sure.
like over here, so babe. Yes, man.
They have one pool.
Yeah, man. 8 feet, run and back.
Yeah, you see, babe.
Not really.
Alright, we talk about that. But anyway, I just want to meet somebody in charge. I just want to get a room. Are you in charge?
Yeah, we're in charge of everything over here.
The boss.
No, me and my boss.
Oh. Alright, I just
Man,
want to talk.
guns, man.
Oh, yeah, you clean up the place and something. Alright, anyhow, I just want to say I can get to talk to somebody. I want to find out the price. I want to rent the place. A room for 2 weeks and something on the daily.
Over here, kind of price, you know.
It's okay.
Okay, so, yeah, office there right there, son, boss.
Oh, that's the office.
Yeah,
The
man.
boss inside.
Yeah, man, boss, you did it, man.
Alright, thank you. Respect. Yeah, daddy.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Come on, baby.
Alright. They don't match. The 2 of them belly big. 1 foot big and 1 foot small. Yeah, it's a mystery.
Me close, you know. The boss inside, the close.
You lock up. Sebastian. Like the upstairs.
Yes, sir. Good evening, good afternoon,
Boss,
sir.
they want a room. A room they say them come for.
Room.
Yeah, my
room.
father. May I look a room?
Yeah,
come
they
this
wipe the window them round.
This
so.
way.
Alright, this way.
Dog around here.
No, just follow this way.
Alright, thank you, my father. Babe, come on.
Over.
You don't wipe out the window them and everything. Me I go for a lunch.
Alright, do it and come back fast.
Nice, babe. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Blessed, man.
Yeah, evening.
Evening. Yeah, man. Baby. Tia. You know, so we just look a place maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, and you know, if we like the place, all the place nice, very nice, maybe we can extend it to maybe a month or 2 months. You get what I say?
Oh, welcome to the Blue Crane Escape.
Yeah, man. Pleasure, man. You know, heard a lot about this place, man. All over the media, I see it, social media, TikTok, YouTube, and plus. One of my friends tell me about it, so it's a privilege. So no disrespect, like what price the room start from go up?
Oh, you have like from 180 go up 250, 300 US me a chat about.
Oh, so it depends, yeah, man.
It depends on the type of room, cause most room come with furniture.
Yeah.
Some room don't come with furniture.
AC. Yeah, AC.
You have some room with fan.
Yeah.
You have different type of room over here.
Alright, no problem, man. That no problem. So You know if you could have shown me two of your room them. Few of your room them and I can just make a pick.
Yeah, man.
Just stay here right away.
Some guests move out.
Cash or credit card? No really
Oh, we
matter.
use it two of them.
Two of them, no problem,
Cash
boss.
and credit card.
Yeah, man.
Alright, now
Tell us your place
I
nice.
want the room with the AC.
AC me want to. Come on, cooler down
there's
here.
only them room here around for the back and something.
Yeah.
Available because.
Oh, pool view.
Cool view.
Yeah,
Boss
cool
it.
view. What one?
The water gone.
The water gone.
You water there, boss it.
Water there, man. You turn on the pump.
Oh, pump.
Yeah.
Pump. Plug in the pump.
Plug in and turn on the
Plug on
pump.
the pump.
Alright,
Alright. Yes, boss, respect.
Yeah. So we have a pool here. We know that you guys have 2 feet, but the deepest part is 5 feet.
5 feet.
Yeah, swim at your own risk, no lifeguard.
No lifeguard. Alright, me now go swim, boss it. Take a time, please. Place nice though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, me no need a room here, because they're too close to the pool. When your wife is drinking and something, I want to fall out. So, give me the room down there, sir.
We have a next room,
Yeah.
here that's available.
Boy, babes, them are sitting nice, you know, babes. Very nice. And when rain fall, we can walk outside, look on the place.
Come, take off your slippers.
Yeah, my boss, no problem, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Boy, we can feel the AC breeze, a picture already, boss. Yeah, man. Oh, that's nice. AC cool.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Nice, comfortable bed. I know everything furnished.
It's a TV, yeah. Big.
Babe, me like
Alright,
this
bossy.
room.
Want a one.
AC.
Yeah, man.
This is where you go and use your bathroom,
Bathroom.
kitchen,
Yeah.
living room,
Yeah, man. It's nice, man. Everything.
everything.
So, yo, you take a one of my father.
AC, working.
Yeah. Yeah, man. You take a one of my father. Very nice. So, we can just step on the veranda and just start out the paperwork and pay. Babes, make yourself at home. I'm gonna take care of the baby. Yeah?
Okay, babe.
Alright, yeah, man. Hold this, soon come, baby. Chum. Donald Chum. Yes. I will left this next to so I can't really left nothing.
Alright, you know that you're welcome. Here's the pool as I show you
Yeah,
already.
yeah.
You can make yourself welcome.
Yeah, man.
You see the young man that you pass at the gate?
Yeah, man.
His name is Tugger.
Yeah.
He's the groundsman.
Yes.
And we have a guest living over here for over 3 months.
What?
Over 3 months.
Oh, why you have very nice and feeling with 3 months?
Yeah, man.
And you never owe you yet?
Never owe me. Her name
Yeah,
is
man. Why you
Chelsea.
nice and man? Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Alright, bless you.
I think she's here.
And you have someone to clean up like the inside and straighten up your bed and everything?
Yes, that's Alia.
Alia. Sound like one nice young lady.
One nice stickers.
Alright, yeah, man.
She's the one who
Thanks.
clean up the room and if you want breakfast in the morning, you can pay a little extra.
Alright, no problem. We talk about that tomorrow. And thanks, my father. All the respect.
Get
Yeah, man.
comfortable
Heart
to
of love.
me. Blue crane escape.
Escape, yeah, man.
Alright.
If you want to look nice in that, my father, that's how I'm going. I go school
No,
here.
man, make yourself comfortable.
Respect me,
Oh,
daddy.
you take
Alright.
your room.
Yeah, man, you take your room.
Oh. Isn't it nice?
Yeah, man, you nice one.
I take care of them, man, but
Alright.
yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes, babe.
Where you at? In the bathroom?
No, I'm in the kitchen.
Or you in the kitchen? Babe, that's all that's so nice. Or in the kitchen?
Yes,
Where
I
about
don't
it?
feel at the place. I some water, I'm going to get thirsty.
Thirsty. Why, babes, this is our first step. You know, we actually to start a serious relationship. I'm really glad to look at that time here I talk, you really bear with me. And me bear with you. But anyhow, the US I'm gonna pay for the room. I saw in US tip when I make a work. Cause you understand I season now, so I make a lot of tip. So the US I'm gonna save, I go pay for your room. So if you like it, you can just extend to maybe 1 month or so.
Yes.
Isn't it?
And really and truly, babes.
Yes, babes.
I really appreciate everything you do for me. For short space of time we are talk.
Yeah.
Are you buy me grocery? Are you understand? You help me a lot, me I tell you, and best believe.
Yes, baby.
So anytime I make it, anytime I get a word.
You're gonna make it, baby. You're gonna make it. No, when you make it, you're gonna make it. You see me?
Anytime I get a word, baby.
Yeah.
Best believe, say, we are going conquer the world, me I tell you. So instead of we are a rent place, we are build up place, nice like this, or even better.
Baby. Yeah, man, we're gonna struggle when you can look into it and say this is free, this is ours. But anyhow, as we said before, you drop off a lot of application. And by the week done, somebody will call in the name of Jesus so you can work and help me out and we struggle and just set a foundation for yourself. And one more thing, me sure so by the week done, mommy will call me and say, yo, watch out. Man, want to meet your girlfriend. I'm well want to meet you, you know.
Well want to change her mind,
yeah, man.
you know.
But boy, babes, me never know so why you're so nice, you know.
Oh, very nice,
man. Very nice, all the AC cool. You understand? Look on the settee, them. Look on the TV. Eh? All the tile. Babes, you're not hungry.
You know, yeah, what you plan for me to do? Look for something and go back on the road.
If you tell you the truth, we just come from for the road. So maybe we can just stay and look about some food and something, but before we look about some food, because we're cooking in the bedroom, cook up some food.
Yeah, what? Me say, I have favorite partner, you know. Eh? Come on.
Hold on the father talk, what you want? There, man. Thank God.
I see man like a
There, man. You know, say actually you work have me a way up a real there do you would push pay a work. You know, remember some get a work up a real man around 1 month and now ago. A week, 1 month and a week and now.
Oh.
Yeah, man,
not tell me how to my brain, man.
I guess a check-in, man. So I go on around so.
I guess a check-in?
Yeah, so I go on run pan the blue crane escape. I pay guess. Yeah, easy. No right just here the man.
No,
Black American
man.
check-in is too.
You know say two Jamaican people that check in. It's
I like.
one them belly big like of you.
Yo, you don't say the easy though.
No, then check in.
Your mind my business over here.
But in back room then check in.
But
anyways, two upstairs, but a white girl. Me don't want a white girl.
Black American.
Black American, I did my money.
Alright, if me say any still, me make you get. But you know, so I have to get one for myself first.
No, this is my part was.
There I make a pass through and say, man.
Oh, Chelsea, I'll check.
So you know, say Chelsea, I can check. You know,
no.
my friend, man. She up there?
Yeah, man, she did it.
Alright, you know, so she come down and talk from man. You know, Chelsea, somebody you can't study, you know.
No, some recall that.
Alright, respect here.
Yeah.
Alright, now say alright, man.
Juggling. But
there, man. What be a fun, man? Alright, easy, come like you start.
If I want beer, my father.
Say alright, man. Hear that?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Chelsea! Chelsea!
Yeah.
What go on?
What's up with that?
There, man. Me thinking the jump out.
No, man, me not gone. Me there. Me off today. If I can't know where we are, forward up, man.
Alright, may I come through? But just start check if you're there.
Yes, man.
One thing you know, up here nice, you know.
You know that?
Hey.
Yes, no, man.
Me so me look on the human tube there. And me look on the place and I say it's a nice place, the blue crane.
You like it?
Yeah,
Come in
man.
that place and me reason. The blue crane escape boy.
You look like you're cooking, you know. You know I love my belly with the food, you know, man.
But pass fire, they help yourself. Me alone can't eat so much food.
So keep back on top, man.
You don't hurry, I'm there, you know. Look at that.
I'm not hurry, man. Anytime I come check you, man, why am I not hurry, man?
What you? Why you not there work today?
Why? Come like I same thing me head up on day off.
The place is nice, you know.
Why?
You know how long me there? About 3 months me there, I don't feel like me want to live.
So long you did over here?
Oh, you mean? The place is nice. You could have a nicer place than this puppy that?
Nice, man.
Everything there in place
is
is luxurious. The whole life from top to bottom, from floor to
I wanna
ceiling.
know. Me I wonder if they can give me one little extra. If I want extra 2,000 up on my money, cause I pay where I do work, you know.
Puppy Dan, you want to go ask the raise and
Whole
pay?
heap of guests are checking in, you know. Right now, me I tell you, I'll be flood with guests. Up a Rio, I'll be flood with guests.
Puppy Dan.
And me just talk to Toga, you know, the groundsman, and I tell me, say, why you build up with the guests them too?
The place full up. Right now, the place full.
Eh?
I don't even know when we go can be able to take so much reservation after this.
One thing, you know, remember when the blue crane escape, you know, and start from zero, you know,
And now we gonna 100% the business will grow.
Puppy Dan, work there have to kill.
Alright, me see.
In and out. We have new guests every minute. Right now we have some new guests who just check in.
Yeah man, I Toga tell me man.
Yeah, wow.
Say meet them already?
You know, so I don't meet them yet. Because I'm busy I deal with some other things. And so my day off, I never do a fuss about it. Because I not work today. So I'm just go and bill off. Rest, because I know tomorrow I have whole heap of work for them.
Whole heap of work.
You know, say I want a big woman in a place named Alia. I can't stand him neither, you know, Puppy Dan.
But the brown woman there,
I said that the big woman if he have his own business place. I run his own business, them and people that work for him. In there they clean and he not clean the place good. Eh? Kuya.
Like she not clean my room good and then
Clean up good. Puppy Dan, kuya. Dirt, dust the everywhere. Watch out, Papa. He not clean the place good.
well, you should not do it properly then now. Clean the place properly, you will take in control. That's all I can say.
Puppy Dan, I can't come with that one here, man.
So I'm gonna just know Chelsea and say I have to go deal with some little stuff.
Good morning, Miss Chelsea.
Good morning.
Good morning. I did come earlier. Feel clean up the place about 3 about waking. So me need no see a wake on there now. So what I go downstairs, go clean one this guest room and then we come back to you.
Okay.
Because they have guests here, so I'm gonna just pick up this here.
Okay.
So what time?
Good morning. Morning, Papa.
Yeah man, morning madam. Blessings there. Show you the sign so she do it for the time talk.
You see? Yes, what me talk about? Eh? Look when she decide to come clean.
When guests there.
Make like guess. Eh? When guests there. When did they do for a man and he said come up and come clean and I never wait.
She
That
said
not stop
she
you from
will
cleaning. Eh? This a big fat woman here. Eh? At feel age. Before you go do sitting for yourself. Eh? Go do sitting for yourself in a
Good morning, Mom. We just come to map out the place, clean out the place this morning.
Lady, look how long me call for housekeeping. I know you just a come.
Mom, I'm busy with other room.
Listen, you're busy with other room. You left other room when people call you, especially me. Look here. Alright, so I want to throw away this side, some more you wipe up. And a matter of fact, don't go in the bathroom because my man in there.
Yes, Mom.
Me want to take up my phone because I don't want to miss him. Rubbish. Hurry up, man, you move too slow. Stupid ass.
place, but him a clean and not clean the place. Look how the place dusty and dirty.
Tell her one thing, Chelsea.
Look at the amount of dust come out of while go she has sweep and she said she come out this morning to clean.
Remember, you know, she don't want to come in here, come clean, and then, for example, if you lose all at $20, you can't say she did come in here, come take the $20. So that's why she has to be professional, fit clean when you see what going. You get what I say?
Anybody can clean and thief and touch anything, whether me a look or not. You can't do it, I'll be on my back.
Yeah, that's true, but when she come in here without you acknowledge the fact and without you authorize it, then that's not good.
Puppy Dan, anybody can thief. That the big fat girl there, that the big fat big woman there about 50-year-old. Eh? You look like him more than 50.
There. Look at me.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Who are you, please?
I am the maid for the Blue Crane Estate.
Escape.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sorry about that. You know, say I should realize because I see the map and see how do your work and the apron.
Yes, sir.
So how long you working here?
I work here for around 4 years now, sir.
4 years.
Yes, sir.
So that's how long the place open.
Yes, sir.
So you never hear no guest complaint?
No, sir. Every guest come here have something good for say, nothing bad. Nothing wrong with the bathroom, room nice.
Yeah, the room nice,
they have a
bathroom,
pool.
everything.
Yes.
You know, so one of my friends tell me about this place. Say very nice. I'm just decide to bring my lady.
Good
Come
choice,
here.
sir.
Yeah.
Good side. Good choice.
Between me and you, I just try with my lady and say if she's a nice person. So far, she come like she a one nice person. Anyhow, so you enjoy your work though.
Yes, sir. Me just have
And just come in lot of time. In and out.
In and out, sir.
Alright.
So basically, I'm responsible for inside.
Yes.
They have gardener for outside.
Tugger.
Yes.
Something like that, or
Yes,
flogger.
Yes, sir.
Alright, thank you for the local reason here. I'm at half, I guess, my lady.
She's on the bush.
Alright, thank you. Enjoy yourself here.
Yeah, be careful. Sir.
Yeah, man, no problem. Thanks. You're a nice person. Babes.
You should have one piece that run for yourself, copy
Sure,
and
see.
now if you clean up people place.
So I say, man, I'm a friend, but not deal with that, so man. I show she a maid and so forth and I clean up a place, man. I deal with that, so by an idea, anyone that we can be that person. You understand? We don't know how the future sets. So by an idea, we don't know if we can be that person. We are clean up and I do them stuff.
Babes, what happened?
Me there now.
Babes, me I enjoy myself at the Blue Crane Escape. Good morning, my neighbors. Yes, yes. You too. Love a movie there, see. So what happened?
There.
Alright.
Yeah, you look nice in that room, you know.
If you tell you, me I enjoy my money. Yes. So babes. One lady in the summer port. She's very, very, very nice. She does speak. I want to tell her say everyone here at this what place name again? Airbnb. It's such a everybody just treat me nice. Customer service, the boss, the yard boy, everybody just nice.
Boy, babe. She come here a while ago in the in the room and she nice, she knock on the door
I know.
We just send her going.
She deal with her nice,
yeah, man, nice. She had asked me if I'm hungry. Housekeeper,
Jesus Christ. But you know when you say it's a 4 years since the place you run and he say like in job he say just come in and jump out like gonna put salt in a pot and water in a peas. I say place popular.
The place nice man.
You think the place popular like how you popular? Me and you popular together. So
you see, you know, but we have put fun and joke aside right now. I kind of just feel one, down feeling.
Why?
I don't know, nobody not call me no workplace. Me check my email. I'm not see nothing, not even something say like one job.
let me tell you something. Let's say when you drop off application and them things, they have to run through. Because remember, son, you alone drop off application, you know. They have to run through you, and when you run through, you know, maybe 100 people drop off before you have to just wait and open and put them in the cookie jar, you want come up. You have to just have faith, man, not no big faith. After all, you know, so you want to help me pay some bills and take care of certain things, but at least I'm there for you. We are not hungry and short of panty and brazier. I'm there till you get a work. You understand? Because me falling at the same trap where you're in right now, I know you want the year for me, baby. So I understand the feeling, me get overstand. Say the spot where you're in as a real woman, you want to work or provide for yourself and can help me. I understand that's why I fall for you more. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But anyhow, I just want to tell you, I love you here.
I love you too, babe.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, lady, I come out. Yeah, man.
Alright. You finished?
You finished?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. So thank you for cleaning out the place. Map out here and spread out the bed and everything here.
Yes,
alright. Have a blessed day here.
Yes,
Yeah.
Alright. And thank you again.
She nice.
She nice, man.
She a good woman. She a work here long, you know, babes. She's very, very nice.
You didn't tell me.
Yeah, man. Babes, go inside there now.
Okay, babe. Babe, don't bother with that. You just always in a mood for your energetic body.
Boy, babes, Franny stick turn up. Want to go down back with that good feelings.
You understand, but I don't know, something just don't feel right.
Yeah, I sweat, you don't feel good.
Like, cause it feel like it'll wash me all of a sudden.
And the pressure where you had from last night till this morning. Pressure cooker.
But Me don't see if one at the front this have like pillar and juice or
Alright,
something.
go on and forward. Come in on your blackout and pressure. Go on and forward.
Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. Later. Soon come around here.
Alright, babe.
Yes, boy. Father. You look like she the one. You look like she is the one. So sometimes I choose me not move fast in a relationship, you know, maybe that's why them the woman take this advantage of me, you know. Look how me I take it one step at a time, you know. You look like she a one me know mommy I go love her.
Nonsense, puppy, that nonsense.
But if you see I say time I run late, come on, go get some little things at the supermarket.
Okay.
Pot, so we keep in
Run a
touch.
pot after me cook so much pot. See what I pot in the pan stove. Take your pot, the one you want
Yeah,
with the
man.
food. I do
We check
it
them,
one in the
alright.
supermarket door. Yeah.
Tomorrow you'll buck her, right?
Yes, man.
Alright, so
Come on,
we keep in
listen.
contact.
Yeah, man, bless up.
No problem.
Yeah, man, respect for your visit.
Yeah,
Go
man,
easy, yeah?
welcome on a one link, man.
Alright.
Alright, blessings there.
Yeah, man, bless up. Puppy Dan, one puppy Dan. I'm a bridge in that, you know. You know, left me out of nothing, and I not left him out of nothing either.
No, man. Oh, that bad feeling there take me so, man. Me eat so. I know hungry. Why me no know, me not feel good at all. In the front deck that you have Andrews or nothing.
Hello.
Hello, hi, come here.
What's up, everything good?
Man, everything alright. You live on the complex?
No, man, I know so to tell you the truth, I'm just a regular person, you know. I have a friend where live on the complex, you know. So I just always come give her a check cause I'm little bridging, you know. She work at the same place in Rio.
Real?
Yeah, man, cause me is a staff at Rio.
Real you work?
Yeah, man, Rio, man.
Like seriously?
Yeah, man, seriously, man. Me and Chelsea work at Rio, man.
Chelsea.
Yeah, man, the bridging, I tell you. It's a woman, but me just take her as my little bridging.
Oh, okay, me understand. But Real Hotel?
You familiar with it?
Me know the hotel, but me I tell her say I send out resume and application.
Up at Rio?
Yes.
You know, so we tell you the
More
truth.
than 2 weeks now and I know I can't get a call.
Serious?
Basically a month now.
Alright, I'm tell you about Rio. It's Rio. Rio is a links thing. So I kind of links make all heap of people get bring in because I want links that bring me in still.
Okay.
But here me can do for you. What is your name?
My name is Tia Spence.
Tia Spence. Alright, here I'm going to do for you, Miss Spence. I have a links there as I tell you get me in, so I could have try to make the link, try to see if I can pull a link for you.
Really?
Yeah, man, I could have see if that could have worked.
Why? That would have been good because guess what? Me really need a work. You understand?
Get what you
And
say.
me and my boyfriend and I him right now I do everything for me. Some of the
Yeah, your boyfriend there? Right?
yes.
Oh
Some
my
of the
God,
I him pay
I
for
really
the
don't
place.
want invading and
No man,
privacy.
no.
No
Him
man, they have
alright.
some man who kind of feel very insecure about them females. So you know,
He's not like that. He's not like that.
okay.
Him good.
So
I him basically I do everything right now. So me want to get a job and return the favor.
Okay.
Cause me like to be independent. Me don't want to feel dependent
I'm like
on no
female
man.
independent, you know.
Yes.
So here go to now, Miss Tia. Just take my number, text me, and let me know say are you. So I go talk to the person who give me a link for a career. Tomorrow when I go in and try to see if he can pull a link with the manager to you, see if them can give you a call.
That would be good.
So 799-2758 and my name is Poppy Dan. Yeah man, I always come about as me tell you. So big up yourself, yeah?
Alright, respect
I hope I
you.
get through.
Yeah man,
Yeah, man,
me
big
go
up.
text her. Remember you know?
Yeah man, I remember. Cause you text me and remember me. So if you forgot to just call me in the morning, cause me work in the morning.
Alright, Poppy Dan.
Alright, Miss Spence. Big up, yeah?
Alright, respect.
Alright. Hope you enjoy your stay.
Yeah man. I'm gonna tell babes right now, I look at him say, me don't feel good and come out the door.
She's not the one, oh. Or when you give her everything, she turn round and give you fun. Aliyah, the man know everything when I go on the ground. Man, so that she say, "Yeah, play my game, puppy don't know easy as
Mommy, the man. Mommy, I take long, man.
she tell them she's not."
Mommy, come on, mommy. I walk fast. Come
Why
on.
you hurry me?
Sorry, man. No Nobody not see you, mommy.
No, nobody knows see me.
But anyhow, mommy, yes, me just tell her say, Tia, she's a nice person. You understand? Me feel like she are the one, like, you know, she does nice, like, Carnival. What the year before she get the work, I mean, never tell you, say she get the work.
She get the work?
She get the work. Around a month now, she get the work. But anyway, before she get the work, she say, she want help me with the grocery with things, because me alone I pay the bills them.
She said that?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
she want to contribute to household supplies.
Yes, and he say he well want me to say I try to do him best. And he wonder if you gonna like him everything. So, you know, and then she get the work, you know. Cause couple of weeks ago now, we over the hotel, the Airbnb, and she said he had a hurting, so she not gonna look a pill. So I'm saying go up on the veranda and sit down and try cool on him head, and same time you see a youth apart on him. Puppy Dan.
Puppy Dan.
Yes. He said Puppy Dan and Chelsea are friend. Two of them work a Rio.
Okay.
So he say Puppy Dan say morning. And then she say morning. And he say, sir, excuse me, can I ask you a question? You work here? And Puppy Dan said, no, he can check his friend Chelsea work at the hotel Rio. And he said, so he asked Puppy Dan, saying he drop off an application, Puppy Dan take his name and number. And by the next 2 days,
he can get the work?
He can get the call.
So fast?
Because a link, Puppy Dan say a link on them place. So now he get the work, you know. Me just feel like, oh, me used to do the fear help her, pay her bills, do her ear, like, no, she want to do the same thing for me. She'll tell me, say, deal with you nice.
She tell us what she do with me
yes,
nice?
Mama, yes, mommy. So what you think about her? Feel like she the one?
Don't go so far. Don't go so far. She nice, yes. But give her more time. Go and give her rope. Just go and give her rope. If she want to take care of herself,
so watch her some more.
Watch her some more, that me mean. All people used to say then give her length and you take care of yourself.
So what you say then, mommy? Just like how me and the fear, now she work, you want to see if she want
tell her say you can't afford rent again. Tell her then something.
And see her reaction.
Let me see how she react.
Okay.
Then you will know if she one. If she really care the money, come give and say, babes, rent this or whatever.
Yeah.
You know if she one.
But so hold out some more then.
Hold out some more.
But different from that, like she can go on, not you?
She can go on, man. Yeah, she can.
Alright, thank you, mommy. So nobody not see you when you left out?
No, nobody not see me.
Alright, mommy, thank you. Here? Yeah, man, love you here.
Yeah, love you, son.
Yeah, love you, man.
And be careful. Watch her.
Yeah, watch her, man.
Watch her.
Alright, mommy, go on. Oh, hurry up, mommy, no make them miss you.
Little boy, me say stop hurrying me.
Mommy, hurry up, man. Love you here, mommy.
Alright,
yes. Why, mommy say she are the one. Mommy saying can't go on, but watch her. Look a bit more. Me I watch her, but me feel like she are the one me can marry her. You know, say, what a day when she find out at my place. Cause the way she treat me now and she don't know it's my place. You feel like she are the one in there. Go on. Mommy, oh, mommy, hurry up now, mommy. Me I walk slow, you see, mommy, I go tell him guy gym. Alright.
Oi.
What problem?
Where you come from?
Excuse me a big woman. You're not supposed to ask me that question there. Mind no one business.
You don't want your work. You could never want your work. And you're outside off my premises, them at time. When you feel in a place to clean up room them.
I can ask you one question. You was security or workman?
I'm me responsible over
Respond for what? Your response for your grog out to do your clean excuse.
What the fuck girl, I know me make she lose her. I'm me responsible blue crane escape. Eh? You don't know that?
Oi! Hello, come here. You see, before you start nobody else place, I want you to start here, so. How you love come here so second to last and last. You are invading my privacy. So you need to start here so first.
Let me ask you a question.
And let me tell you something. Stop use the wet mop on the floor. You know what kind of housekeeper you will be? Dry out the mop, screen it out, and then you wipe the place.
No. I saw you deal with people. I saw your mother grow you. And your grandmother. And everybody feel so then grow you. Like I want to look a witch. Imagine, look for your boyfriend. Your boyfriend look like a decent young man. But me don't expect him to have such a witch like a Jezebel.
Jezebel. Listen to me, I say, don't bring my boyfriend into this. Cause my boyfriend not gonna look pan housekeeper like a you. You understand what me I say? And a matter of fact, John Crow, all that. And make sure say everything in the room straighten up properly. Cause last time you not do it good. And you tip that.
You know, saying I have no little brat up, see? Then don't grow you good. You need to go back to school, you need some training.
Your mama grow you good? Your mama grow, if your mama did grow you good, you ought to be one dirty housekeeper. You know, so the place is nice. The place is nice, but you not nice.
Alright, just calm down, please calm down. Ali, you see me tell you, step on the property and do your job. Me listen to conversation from the gate, you know, man.
Then no share face
Just
yourself
go and do
with
your
me.
Job. Go and go do your job. Just do it right. Remember, say customer them always right. Do your job.
Hello, man, I step in my slippers.
Miss, just please, calm down. Just do your
Come
job,
see
here.
it.
Here. I'm sorry about the inconvenience, yeah, miss?
Nothing should not have bought her.
Alright,
Nothing at
alright,
all.
don't
I'm
know.
displeased, man.
Don't know.
Boy, you know, long me stand up out there, so.
Ali, I know.
Just because my mother reach over before me come in, I want to
Just
see
leave
nothing.
property, 'cause you will lose your work.
Father.
Yeah. Oh, go on.
No, man, I'm my regular routine, me run a morning time. So just throw me up on vacation, me still have your routine.
Oh, yeah,
no?
exercise.
Yeah, me just run on the block. Where a place around us name West End, or West End. Yeah, man, me just no run and then me walk.
Oh, yeah, great thing, man.
Yeah, man. So I go on. This man when me pass anybody here, man, come like, you know,
When
I
you
sleep.
go out, what time?
This man, you know, early, man.
I'm not sleeping around a back. But
So everything alright.
everything not going on. I'm not really nothing big. But I see your wife and the maid just catching a one.
My baby and the maid.
Yeah, your baby and the maid catching a one like argument. So me just rush go there, go here, or go on. I just show.
The maid that the lady will clean up the place.
Yeah, I just
So nobody no get hurt.
No, I just want to look at misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding.
You squash out, man. Yeah, your baby good. Yeah, your baby is okay.
That me like about
You must say me respond, see ground, you know.
Are you respond to your ground?
Yeah, anything go on, me have
Thank
to
you,
know
man.
about it.
Alright, so
But me don't
everything
know
cool.
when you
down.
left this morning, though.
Alright, you are going. One want to buy a beer, you know. But me not have rich money for me, so when I come
cheat?
Eh?
You cheat?
No, man, I don't do those things, man. I'm a one burner, man.
Okay.
If me a cook rice, me wait till the rice done, me look about the meat. And when the meat done, me look about the gravy. I don't cheat, man. One burner.
So you know the veggies on the side?
No. A lot of time,
Okay.
me see the 4 burner stove, and like it a temp, me say, buy it, get it, cook it. But I don't 1 burner.
1 burner.
You have to get it when you're young.
1 burner.
Yeah, 1 burner. You understand? 4 burner, tempted.
Me dear too.
We chat here. Big
Yeah,
up
man.
yourself. Here.
Yeah, man.
Heart
I
out.
just want to look at misunderstanding.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
You see
man.
me?
Everything good now, though.
Alright, respect here.
Yeah, man.
Hey, the place nice.
What?
You see, anytime you
Yo,
want
what?
to get married.
The place nice too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
A row here.
Yeah.
Boom.
Big up. Wife nice, you know what she does? Oh, Tada.
Yo, boss, man.
Father, what going?
Yeah, man, I want to talk to you about something.
Yeah, no problem, bossy, man. Where are you, lady?
Yeah, man.
Blessed, what going?
You know what say?
Just get a man in, you know?
You know say your time kind of overdue, you know.
Like what you talk about?
Remember 2 weeks I did pay for, you know.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man, a 2 week me pay for, but you what going on now? To tell you the truth, bossy, you know, the season pick up a day, and me never know the season one drop down so quick. So me not to make no tip of work again. So me just a beg you some more time. Me know say me overdue some.
Over a month now, you know.
But you know say over, man. But me just a beg you little time. Please me a beg you. You know me good for my word.
Time not work at my place, yeah. A 2 weeks you owe me for now.
Alright, you can't just give me till weekend. Please, you just pay the rest of the money. You understand?
That can't work. You have to go leave today.
You can't just give me till the weekend to just pay your money,
You
boss.
already get how much time.
Yeah. Well,
Then your woman have
Good
to
evening.
leave.
What's going on here?
yes. You are one. Because me never want to say it to you. You know so me I work. And you know so short me I work. See you the kind of cut so me not make as much tip. So me owe him some money. So I come and tell me say me have to go leave today because I don't have money to pay me. Look money what me I make as the food. So you must say me have to leave. Me never want to do this.
There's no need for that. Me I'm going inside the house for some money. Okay?
Week fast and come. 2 weeks no offer.
Just stay as me a follow.
Come like couldn't take my business to some joke thing or what.
Yes. I think I never want to tell you, I never want to. Here's how you are going to suffer.
2 weeks the man say?
Babes, how you get so much money from?
It tip when me make her work.
So babes, I have so much money. I not tell me. I not want grocery, want things. Want soap, want tissue.
So what you for? What you for? You are the man. What you are talk about? And just because I don't want homeless right now make me a pay this, you know. 2 weeks. Alright. Me I gonna deal with the man. Me soon come. When we come, we finish time. Hello.
Hello.
Alright, me really apologize for that I hear. It was just a misunderstanding.
That good man. Everybody
Alright,
make
so this is
mistake,
what
you
we
know.
owe you. And I'm gonna pay for 3 months in advance. Alright?
3 months.
Yeah. This is for 3 months in advance. And the rest is for what I owe you.
I know say, to be honest, me not really watch nobody business, but your man we have in there. I want good youth, you know. When things are going for him, what you know? You're there in foot, you know. I know nothing are going for him, you know. Him still like your foot, you know. So take care of him, I want good man you have. Remember me tell you.
Hello. Stop right there. Come out of my business. Me don't know about the people. You're so enough. Listen what me I say. I rent is supposed to talk about my personal life. And you see for the next 3 months, me no want to see you in my way. Me no want to see you in my path. You hear me? I tell you, excuse her in front of me. Come fast in a people business.
You so damn loud and vulgar and I want people and they rent money.
You know, back to you now. You dey walk on a pace round the place. Hello, are you me I talk to, sir? Are you me I talk to? You come like one big idiot. How you feel owe 2 weeks rent? Suppose they make them put me out on the road. How you feel owe 2 weeks rent and I make me know?
Yeah. You're there here when things are going for me. You're there when me I make tipper work. And you're there here when nothing are going for me. And you're there here when me I struggle. When me I share 1 box soda, drink 1 juice and 1 tin mackerel and we hot up in the morning. You know everything what go on. And you work and me never ask you to do and pay bills or get grocery. And you save so much US off of your tip. And you hide it. If the landlord name say I'm going to throw me out. She, you tear, my woman, when me feel like you are the one. Can't believe you say you stay here.
How me stay? Fear save my money for rainy day? Me did tell us I never fi save your money for rainy day? Like today?
But tear my money when me save for rainy day, help me use and embrace your wall out when you never get no work. I'm trying to get from
well, me never hold one gun on your head and tell you to do that. So me not understand what you are trying to say to me.
Really, Tia?
Did I force you?
Really? Tia, me even know so seriously. I saw you deal with the landlord. I saw you deal with the landlord. I saw you deal with me. Everything good, man.
Listen.
No phone no there, look, you know, no phone no in the safe, no grocery no there, so you can't just buy 1 2 food for me and 2 juice.
Believe you me, say coming like a burden in my life right now. Buy which 2 food? I want food me I buy. And if you want some, you get some and one drinks. You can't get some of the drinks. You finished that? I done the conversation here right now, you know. You know what? May I go out here so go talk to my best friend Chelsea. And my bestie that's my best friend. Along with their work. And me and her apart. What do you want?
Sometimes you have to give them rope for them hang themselves. But sometimes when you love somebody and put your trust in that person and you not fall in, if you all you want him to fall in your life, it really hurt you. But sometimes the hurt come with a price. And the price where you come with, if you know say you are not the one for me, always painful. Father God just guide me.
I'm going to treat time hot make water so nice.
Chelsea! Oh!
Oi! Want me, bestie?
Want me, bestie?
Want me?
Good day, you're good?
How are you?
Alright.
you
I
look
want to
so-
talk to you about something.
You want to talk to me about something? What me do now?
Nothing about you, girl. What wrong
Why
with
do so much
you?
money in your hand here?
Oh.
Where you get so much money from?
I me tip them when me they save up in my saving pan, but through the man when me have, you know which part the saving pan they know. So me have to just movie. I me never have time for
Saving
go
panty,
ahead.
you walk with so much money. Girl,
How where you go?
me go in my room go talk
Oh,
to
come
you.
on, come on. No man, girl.
How
In your bathroom, nice. Your bathroom
wait.
nicer than for my bathroom.
Girl, Tia.
All your bedroom
Wait,
look better than mine.
Wait, Tia, wait. Tia, you come to talk to me, I come to mind my business. All, look here, talk to me what you want to talk to me about. Me like luxury, what wrong with that? Eh?
Nothing wrong with that, friend. Nothing at
so
all.
why you babes about me
I
bathroom
don't mean
and
nothing really. I don't mean nothing for sure.
only the Brooklyn escape. Come, what you say you want to talk to me about now?
Friend, I really want to talk to you. And you know you're the only person I can talk to right now.
Yeah. Do you really emotional upon something? If you let me call somebody to get one cheer for your son. I want somebody dead?
No,
I
not
want.
like that.
Then I want.
Man, when me have man, like, me just can't bother.
When me no can't bother, why you do something?
In our work 1 month now.
In our work 1 month out here. Eh? Are you sit down with him? You sit down with him. So in our work 1 month. So how you survive? Tell me how you survive now.
Me little tip them and me pay and something.
You little tip them. You little tip them can't pay bills. You little tip them can't buy food for my new and him. Look how boy fat. If boy big and fat because he pay that food when you sit down and you want to cock up your foot and gabble on your food or you buy.
Right now, grocery for buy in our house. And me have to go thing for buy.
You want
Him a
some
tell
big
me say, fi go buy 2 food and 2 drinks for me and him.
Oh.
A while ago, you know say landlord, me overhear the landlord. They talk to him about rent 2 weeks. He owe down there and I make me know. And me have to fork out my money to pay for the 2 rent.
Yeah.
Plus,
A man now want to pay rent, you go find one next man to pay the rent. If he now give you money to buy food, you find a next man to provide the food. You have sense? Listen to yourself. You got sense? Have sense. You're too big for no have sense.
listen what me I say, friend. My best friend just listen to me.
Me I listen,
You
me I
see
look too.
when things did done for me, I him did the PP clock, I do everything. So
Okay.
that's why me I wonder if no me fi just return the favor. Him did I pay all of the rent, and him did I buy food, and him did I do this and that.
Shut up. Boy, yeah, whenever you return rich favor. Nonsense. Eh? The boy if you go look work, man a provider. A man fi provide for their woman and their family. Man are born providers.
That means me an idiot then.
I mean,
I pay rent, I pay a light bill and then sitting there.
You're a baboon.
Me an idiot
You're not just
then.
idiot, you're a big baboon.
It's alright. And you know a matter of fact, you know how long me fi meet the boy mother? Eh?
Which mother?
More than a month now me fi meet him mother from
Which
we
mother?
just start talk.
That the mother don't like people. That's why she don't want to meet you. She
You
don't
know
like
her?
people. Yes, we know her and she don't like people. That's why she don't want to meet you. And that's why they rent your room over here, so. You didn't know? Because they say you're a baboon. You're a baboon because I know say you like puppy dan too. And I know say you're puppy dan in a things.
Girl, don't bother with that.
Me no fi bother with
What
that.
wrong
You're
you?
puppy dan in a things.
Alright, anyways. Shh. Me don't want my man to hear nothing. You understand?
You know why your man
But
fi hear nothing,
you
okay?
see other day, me hear puppy and I saying it want clocks.
Okay.
So,
You buy man
how
clocks
much
too.
clocks?
But yeah,
Here what?
you bingo.
So give him this. Give puppy than this.
I cut it before
Make
you my
him
teeth
buy-
none.
make
1,
him-
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But 12, 13, 14. Okay.
Just evening, 1,500.
Chelsea!
Speaking of the devil, hear me? Yes, Papi Dan.
Oh my god, Tia, what's up?
Hi.
What?
I'm
You alright?
there, yeah, man.
Where you come from?
My god, are you okay?
You call me
Yeah,
long time?
man.
Come know you call me now?
Yeah, I just check me so me I come check up.
Oh yeah, we run and say just come
Right,
boy. I feel your
just
place.
here,
I know
boy.
say welcome anytime. Anyway,
Really friendly.
but there are reason with Bestie boy sitting.
Not really good.
What the part things? Matter of fact, she just count on the money and give me a figure. So me make yours
Give me?
and done right in front of her face.
Remember you
before.
just say you didn't want one clock, so you hear me see you here one different win. You can buy
God,
two suits.
Really appreciate it, man. If I know say this serious like you don't really give me money to buy clocks.
Yes. And so nice gears on their hair.
Anyway, Tia, Papi Dan, what me can never tell me say you and Tia lock down the hotel too much week. And me and your friend, I know if you hide there something there from me, you know.
That's man. Me not
I mean, never says so. What you? Anyway, but they run us so. There?
Yeah,
But they run us so. I give you no moments.
So what's up now, baby?
Me there, you know me can't really stay along with you cause me have to go down go deal with something.
Oh God, I'm just sit down and wind up in a microphone.
You know say
right in your book.
you know you can do that anytime, but me have to go down.
And if I can do it anytime, why not now?
Alright, one quickie.
Of course.
One quickie.
Alia,
Yes, sir.
good night.
Good night, sir.
So you're good?
I'm okay, sir.
All is good. And I get to find out say you and one I guess them like catch up in our argument since there.
Yes, sir.
And me know I know everybody ever have manners to you, I don't know everybody ever be disrespectful, I don't know everybody ever be rude. But sometime in our life, remember you know, I'm my property, you know. When time you have a problem with a guest or anybody on the property, you come to me and explain to me or you call me.
Sorry about that, sir, but she did be extremely rude. She had go as far as I tell me about my mother, sir. That disrespectful.
You understand, but that no call for. Either you call me or something, you know, just get up and just disguess so.
Sorry about that, sir. It won't happen again.
Just make sure say it don't happen again and just that's all come over here to warn you and talk to you about. Don't make you same mistake you check twice in a life.
Okay, sir.
Oh, and the next thing too, me send some money in your account, some extra bonus, cause me really like what you do. You're a
Thank you.
good worker.
Thanks,
And
sir.
you mind your business. I just find the work here. I first never get a complaint.
Yes, sir.
So just big up yourself. When I don't you can go a machine, draw your money and do whatever you want. Put it on your card.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
She's not the one. Oh, you give her everything she can
Babes.
and give
Me I look about some food for me and you.
I don't want none of that food there. Me never tell us I'm hungry. Me did tell us I'm hungry. Listen, me give all of this some thoughts. Look off the stove, look off the stove. Me give all of this some thoughts. And this not gonna work.
What you mean? What you mean now?
The relationship not gonna work. It can't work no more.
Tia, where you talk about a fool me you come from, you know? Me you struggling whole in the last month. And you want to tell me so just you get work and now you switch for me. You change like a green lizard.
Me not switch for you now. Listen what me I tell you now.
Tia, you move like a star up look.
You ever hear me and listen to Shani Noor song? Man fi mind woman. Man fi give woman money.
I know.
Me not supposed to have. Listen, at 50-50 we supposed to do things. Or even 60-40. Or anyhow you want put it. You get what me I say? No, me supposed to pay rent. Me supposed to buy food. Other day you two slippers where you have it pop out. And me have to buy. No. Me not in a that. Me not in a that.
Tia, me understand what you're saying now.
I'm matter
But
of
me
fact.
never in a complain on me. I do nothing for you. Me do it from me heart, you know, Tia.
Jesus.
So why you complain now? You get
Listen
a work
what
to
me I
switch.
say now. And you know what me think about cause when I go, you know. Me go link my friend Chelsea, you know. And me and her talk, me a reason with her. And you know what Chelsea and make me know say? Your mama not like people. You get what me I say?
Don't do that, me not have mama.
Listen what me I say now. How much a 1 month I add now? Call it say 2 months. Me supposed to meet your mother and now I can't meet her. And you over here stress me out. Me have to feed you, clothe you, shelter you. You better go on home to your mama.
Tia, don't disrespect my mama. Don't do that. My mama no mama, my mama mother. Don't do that, Tia.
Listen. This not gonna work as me tell you. It just not gonna work.
Don't talk about this, no, Tia.
Talk about what? Drunkro talk about what? What you mean by talk about what? It come like you not understand what me I say.
Tia, really? Tia, please, me I beg you.
Let go from me, man.
Tia, me I beg you, please.
Me just feel like hawk and pitching at your face.
Pitching at my face.
Ha! You know what? Me I go around this to go pack up your little things and what you have here. And you need to left my place.
Tia, you really spitting at my face, Tia. Tia, you really spitting at my face,
you
Tia.
You think me not no joke with you.
Them some money change people and are really true. Tia, you could have it all.
Come. And I hope you don't touch none of my money. Come out here.
Tia, you really I can spit in my face, Tia.
All this. Go on with the things that you have. Excuse, cause you are move out and me are moving my next man in here.
Tia, you know the difference between rain and sun? So when the rain fall and full up the drum them, the sun come out.
Go on and make your mama mind you and shelter you. Your mama when I like people.
Color and book I'm representing for Wrld TV. You see me, you make it to the end. Brand new movie name. She's Not the One.
She really not the one, bro.
But anyhow, we are doing a promotion and you see a nice Airbnb I name the Blue Crane Escape. You want to go on. You see the place is very nice. You see the room them nice, the pool. You don't need to check it out. If you want to fly down from town, Ochi, overseas, local and international. We are going to put the number on the screen where you can just make a call and link up and just go and enjoy yourself. Spend some vacation here, your friend, your family, your woman, your mother. Room, one in your head, nothing in a chamber. Wrld TV and a movie name, She's Not the One.